want to clear your Pinterest history, whether it's the source bar history or activity feed, it's the quick and easy process. Here's the process how you can do that. First of all, launch the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you are on your Pinterest app, you have to go to the source bar or tap on the magnifying glass or source icon which is on the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, you have to just go for the source for ideas. Here you can see your history. So you will see a list of recent sources. You have to tap on single source item. You have to tap on the X next to the source item that you want to remove here. Just go and tap on the X icon like this and you will successfully remove all your source history here like this. So clearing your source history does not affect the sources on your Pinterest, which has been based on your interest, like this. So if you want to change your feed recommendation, you can adjust your interests or reset them in your Pinterest setting. So this way you can easily clear the Pinterest history or your recent searches. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.